In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Todoist. Filters are a fantastic way to streamline your tasks, ensuring that you can focus on what matters most at any given time. By the end of this guide, you'll have a good understanding of how to navigate and use filters effectively in Todoist, enhancing your productivity and task management skills. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Todoist account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist website. Look for the login page, and once you're there, it's time to input your credentials. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's the one you used to sign up for Todoist, as this will be the key to accessing your tasks and projects. After you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure that you're entering it exactly as you created it, paying close attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, or special symbols. Once your password is in, click the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's dive straight into the world of filters. From your Todoist dashboard, navigate to the Today view. This is where you'll see all the tasks scheduled for the current day, but our focus will be on something slightly different. Look for the Filters and Labels option. It's here that Todoist allows you to sort your tasks in a variety of ways, helping you to focus on specific areas of your workload. Upon clicking Filters and Labels, you'll be introduced to several preset filters by Todoist, including one named Assigned to Me, which is particularly useful for team projects where tasks are delegated among members. Feeling confident so far? Great, because it's time to take things a step further by creating a personalized filter. To do this, locate and click on the Add Filter button. This is your gateway to creating a custom view of your tasks based on criteria you specify. Creating a filter begins with naming it. Think of a name that clearly describes the purpose of the filter you're about to create. This could be anything from urgent tasks to emails to send, whatever makes the most sense for the way you work. After naming your filter, the critical part comes next, typing the query. This might sound technical, but it's really just about specifying the criteria for your filter. Todoist supports a range of keywords and operators that you can use to build your query. For example, you might want to create a filter that only shows tasks due today. To do this, your query could simply be today. Or if you're looking to see tasks labeled as urgent, your query would include @urgent. Playing around with these queries lets you create highly customized views of your tasks, allowing for a workflow that aligns perfectly with your priorities and working style. Remember, the key to effective filter use in Todoist is experimentation. The more you try out different queries, the better you'll become at bending Todoist to your will, making it a powerful ally in conquering your to-do list. Lastly, once you've typed in your query and finalized the setup of your filter, don't forget to save. Congratulations, you've now created a custom filter in Todoist. You can create as many filters as you need to tailor your task management experience to your liking, ensuring that no task is ever overlooked and that your productivity remains high. In summary, filters in Todoist are a powerful feature that, when used effectively, can significantly enhance your task management experience. By following these steps to log in, navigate, and create personalized filters, you're well on your way to becoming a Todoist power user. Filters can not only help you stay organized, but also ensure that you're always focused on what needs your attention the most at any given time. As we wrap up this tutorial, I encourage you to experiment with different filters and queries. The beauty of Todoist filters lies in their flexibility and the incredible customization they offer. So go ahead, try creating different filters for various contexts and projects. With a bit of practice, you'll find that managing your tasks becomes a breeze, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying filters in Todoist. Keep exploring, keep organizing, and most importantly, keep achieving.